Hello, my mindful meal preppers. My name is Em. This is Life's Table, and welcome to our first mindful marinade. The instructions for what you need to make our marinade are on the screen. Feel free to build as I build, but you're also welcome to close your eyes, find a comfortable, neutral position, and pause for perhaps the first time today to take 3 minutes for you. The choice is yours, but the instructions on the screen will not go away, I promise. We're going to begin by taking 3 deep breaths. We will inhale for 4, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Ready? Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Wonderful. Now, I want you to draw focus to your feet, these small but mighty parts of our body that make up our literal foundation. Very little more than flesh and bone, yet strong enough and powerful enough to support our entire weight on just our toes. Feel how they are coming into contact with the floor. Are they flat with your weight evenly displaced between them, or are you leaning more to one side or the other? Do your toes feel warm or cold? Do your feet feel tired from everything you have accomplished today, or do they feel rested and ready for everything yet to be achieved? On an inhale, scrunch up your feet and curl your toes as hard as you can. Hold as you feel the tension build, those tiny muscles working ceaselessly all day, every day to keep you balanced and vertical and moving forward. And with an exhale, let all of that tension go. Feel your feet relax back to how they were before, and then perhaps even further as they release stress you did not even realize you were harboring. Wiggle your toes, rock forward and backward, shake out your feet, and redistribute your weight intentionally and evenly. Observe the ripple effect as these tiny changes in such a small part of your body adjust your entire posture and cause you to stand a little straighter. We finish by thanking our bodies for taking care of us today, just as we take care of them through these nutritious meals. I hope that you enjoy